What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and yes, this is going to be another video about the Acer Aspire. But today we are going to be replacing the power supply with the EVGA 650 watt PSU. So I've never done this before, so we'll learn this together. But all right, let's get into it. Alright guys, so I got the side panel unscrewed off. Let's open up our box. See what are we get inside. Here we got a manual. I don't really read manuals or instructions. I kind of just go with it and figure it out on my own. Some styrofoam. All our cables right here. Those will probably come in handy. I like how these cables are just straight black. I don't like all these colorful cables in here. I just don't like the look of it. So I'm glad. Oh, and they got some cool Velcro here for cable management. That's awesome. All right. And then here we have our power supply. Take it off here. Okay. It's a nice size power supply. That's a lot bigger than the one I have. It's like almost a quarter bigger than the one we have in there. So hopefully it holds up. Because that would really suck if it didn't fit. Like I said, this is my first time doing this, guys, so we're figuring it out together. Alright. Oh, we got our screws to mount it. So we are done with the box. Put the power supply over here, and I'm going to turn the camera on the inside of this, and yeah, let's switch over. Alright, so here we are, guys, on the inside of the Acer Aspire. First, I think we'll start off with cutting all of our cable management we currently got going on here. We'll cut those off. Uh-oh. And then, yeah, let's just start unplugging things. Sounds good, right? So, the power supply is now all unplugged. So we'll just unscrew these 4 screws in the back. Let's pull this out. Okay. Alright, so just so you guys can see, here is the power supply that comes with it, and here is the upgrade. Pretty decent size difference, but I think we'll be all right. We should be fine. Okay. Get our screws and screw it on in. Okay, well, there we are, guys. We switched it out, and now I'm going to figure out some cable management in a little bit, and we'll plug it in and see how it goes. Alright, guys, well, here we are. Did the cable management. That was fun. Not. Anyways, let's power it up and see if it works. Okay. Let's try it this way. There we go. Got scared for a minute. So far, so good. Nice. Alright, guys. Well, there it is. Successfully installed the EVGA 650 watt PSU into the Acer Aspire. Now I have a fan on the way, and in the next video we will be installing that in the front, so keep an eye out for that. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more videos like this one, and I will catch you guys next time.